Since you want to be in the mix, say hello. Don't be rude. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for joining me, and welcome. And if you're not, welcome back. Hello. I know it's been a while. I know. I'm sorry. I have a really good excuse this time, but I can't talk about it. So yeah, we here now. Okay, we're here. I'm hoping my child lets me record this video. But if you guys hear crying, you guys already know who that is in the background, okay? All right, so today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, I am going to be doing a try-on haul of the DEZI sunglasses. I picked up a few on her latest launch, or latest release, that's the right term. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. This is the first one that I got, and she is on red. I'm super excited. I did low-key splurge, I'm not even gonna lie, but I deserve it. Yeah, I deserve it. That was what I told myself. So this is what she looks like. Gold decal. It's real cute. On the inside it says the name. Okay, ombre. Okay, she cute. These are very narrow. I feel like they would look really cute on somebody who has not a big forehead, but maybe if I like wear bangs or something, I can pull her off. I like her. I feel like I'm a cool person in these, like, yes. Okay, so that's on red, and it comes in a cute little, it has a little slip bag, so perfect when you're traveling. Next up is Read the Room. She is in the color Honey Maple Umber Faded. So this is one of her newest releases. Wow, I don't know if I should have did that, but whatever. So this one came in a box. On red didn't come in a box. Not sure why, but hey. Same box, cute. Okay. Okay. So this is what, oh, I don't know why one just come. Oh, because I don't know. Anyway, so this is Read the Room. Oh, she's brown. She's cute. I like these. All right. And then, of course, it has, like, the gold detail here, but so cute. Oh, okay, I feel like a bad bitch. Okay. Hey, and she's brown. I love these. I feel like my nails need to be brown. I like these. These are really cute face framing. I like these, and they're brown. Read the Room is in Honey Maple, Umber Faded, and these retail for $75. On red retailed for $65, so on red was the cheapest ones that I got. And then the last ones that I got are fall back. Now, like I was saying, my head is big, so usually when I get glasses, like I have to get pretty big glasses so that they just look cute on me. I don't know if anybody else who's big-headed have that issue, because I do. I just feel like I always need to have like a chunky pair. These are fall back, and these are in classic tortoise brown gradient. Very cute and big. Here for it. Oh. I feel and look like money. Yes, I love these. I like these a lot. Let me go check on my child. Since you want to be in the mix, say hello. Don't be rude. She cute, she cute. This is the size that I go for when it comes to shades, because I have like a big head, so I need something that's like oversized. Those are the 3 shades that I picked up from DEZI. My top favorite though, my fan favorite is Read the Room, child. I think it's more so the color. Like, I'm here for this brown, like, yes, this is so bomb. She real cute. Again, Read the Room retails for $75. And then my second favorite would have to be Fall Back, just off the strength that this is just like the type of glasses that you wear, the type of shades that you wear like when you don't want to be bothered, your airplane shades, your hangover shades. Like, she's gonna be my go-to shade for sure. And then last but not least, of course, is On Red. She's very narrow. I'm still gonna rock her, but she came in 3rd place. And On Red retails for $65. So yes, these are pretty pricey when it comes to shades. Trust me, I used to be the $5 shade mommy whenever I would get some shades, but I felt like I needed to invest in quality shades just because I deserve it, you know? Okay, baby, 1 second. Okay, 1 second. I know I'm not going anywhere no time soon, but your girl had to pick up some shades so I could be cute in the living room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, share, all the things. Let me know in the comment section if you guys picked up anything from Desi or any of that, and let's chat. See you guys in my next one. Bye.